Bago tayo magpatuloy, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe sa aking channel.
Magandang araw sa ating mga viewers at SSS pensioners at members. This is Tita Eda. Ang SSS ay may bagong programa kung saan pwedeng lumaki ang inyong pensyong matatanggap ng mga susunod na pensyonado. Ano ang programang ito? Ating panoorin ang panayam kay SSS CEO Michael Regino tungkol dito. Panoorin at tapusin ang buong video para sa dagdag kaalaman.
At present, we want to give our members a secure retirement after their productive working years. And the best way to do that is to teach them the concept of savings for the future. Hence, we exert all our efforts to find ways within the boundaries of the Social Security law to create programs that will encourage our members to work, save, invest, and prosper. Today, we take another step by opening a new savings scheme for our members. The Workers' Investment and Savings Program Plus or WIS Plus. What is WIS Plus? It is a voluntary provident fund program or a retirement savings scheme exclusive for SSS members. We predict that like WIS, which is the mandatory provident fund program, WIS Plus will have good returns for those who will save their hard-earned money with us. Let me share with you that WIS, on our first year of implementation, already attained a return of investment of 6.39% or generated an income of 333.77 million. Its ROI is above par compared to returns that you could earn from banks, and it even outperforms key market indicators such as the 10-year Treasury bond, which averaged 4.1% in 2021. The WIS Plus is offering our members another way of savings aside from their regular SSS contributions. It serves as an additional layer of Social Security protection apart from retirement benefits that they will receive from the regular SSS program upon reaching the required age for retirement. It is an investment because their contributions to the program will grow. At the time of their retirement, our members will get the accumulated investment earnings for their contribution. The program reinforces the value of setting aside money. We used to hear from our parents and grandparents that we should save money to have something during the rainy days of our life. WIS Plus is saving money, investing it, and reaping it when the time is right, and that time will be during a retirement. Further, it is a testament to our commitment in improving the lives of our members and their beneficiaries by helping them prepare for their future. As our media partners, we hope for your continued support and so that we can encourage our members to save more for the future. We commit to secure the working Filipino continuously.
Kickstart your year to
If sa tingin mo, natulungan ka ng video ko na ito, nakasave ka sa oras mo, you can click yung thanks button at any amount ay malaking help sa pag-grow ng channel ko. Yun lang po muna ang aking update. Sana ay nakatulong na dagdag kaalaman ang aking shinare today. Ang goal ng aking channel ay mag-create ng awareness. Kung ganitong mga topic ang gusto mo, panoorin mo ang mga videos ko na ito. Thanks for watching! Kung may kapamilya, kaibigan o kakilala sa tingin mo ay magiging interesado sa video, please share or tag sila sa comment section. At syempre, if nagustuhan mo ang video, i-like mo na ito at subscribe ka na din. As always, feel free to write your questions, comments, and opinions respectfully. And continue to be a blessing and stay safe!